Hi ka-artists! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! In today's video, we will be painting a photo. Yep, you heard me right. We will be painting a photo from Instagram. So I actually came up with this idea wherein from time to time, if ever I see a nice photography that I can actually get inspiration from, I will be painting those photos. And of course, I will also be crediting the owner of the photos in my videos through shoutouts. That means, if you haven't followed me yet on Instagram, please do follow me by clicking the link in the description box below. And without further ado, here are the actual photos that we will be painting. So why did I choose this photo? It's simple. I find it beautiful and I was drawn to just try and make it, and I was literally just in my phone scrolling through the numerous posts of strangers and friends, and I stumbled upon this photography and I thought to myself, I can make this. Let's try. And to not lie and be transparent to you guys, I was also debating against myself as to why did you subject yourself to this? What if you can't copy the photo itself? What if... There are so many what ifs, and they're not nice to think of. But after I painted this, I felt really good because I can finally show it to the owner of the photo and probably make the owner happy with what I did. Though, okay, we're getting lost in the track. I'm supposed to guide you guys as to how I make this painting. Okay. The paintbrush that I used was from Sakura Paintbrush and it is size 12. And the palette that I'm using is the Prang watercolor palette. Nothing really fancy. The techniques that I've used is mainly the wet on dry technique, and I have basically applied a darker saturation of color to the topmost part and painted the area lightly as it came to the descent, creating the gradient of the background. And if you see the actual photos, there are color differences with my painting and the actual photo, because I decided to just use the red and color blue. This painting is really easy because you only need to use one or two techniques and you're basically just adding details after details. And so it's not toxic unlike other kinds of rendering. Just try to build the color of the painting to the saturation that you like and voila, you're good to go. And also, if you haven't watched the recent video yet titled 6 Basic Techniques in Watercolor, please do watch it. It's the part 1 of the mini tutorial series that I'm making for my channel, and I hope I inspire you guys to just grab a paintbrush and do your very first painting. So after I was satisfied with the intensity of the color I made for the background, I grabbed my pencil and just started making asterisks to the areas I actually have these bundles of supposedly big leaves. This will be my guide into making the replica same area of a bundle of leaves from the photo. as for the silhouette, I used a pure black paint mixed with water from Prang watercolor palettes, and I didn't mix it to any colors, so it gives off a strong color that really stands out. So in this part where you have to paint the details or the main highlight, what I can suggest is to really have the control with using your brush. It really depends on how you hold your brush or onto how you apply force every time you're painting. Actually, this round brush that I'm using is actually quite bigger than I normally would want to use in details like this. But since I don't have a lot of materials, nor do I have the capacity of supplying myself to more materials, I opted to just use the smallest round brush that I have. This is a number 2 Sakura brand paintbrush. And I'm just lightly making my strokes to form a bush looking tree. Also, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and turn the bell button for more updates. I would also appreciate it if you comment down below with your suggestions or your comments in regards to this painting. And I would really love to grow my channel with you guys. If you have any concerns with how to have control with your brush, I will be posting a video in regards to having control in the near future. So there you have it, the finished painting of the actual photo itself. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Please like and click the bell button for more updates. See you soon. Bye bye.